If you're on the hunt for the best RGB gaming RAM, you're probably tired of lagging frames or dull builds. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, STG Aubron Gaming PC. Let's kick things off with the STG Aubron Gaming PC. Priced at $774.77, this rig boasts an Intel Core i7, a Radeon RX 580, and 16 GB of RAM, all wrapped up in a flashy RGB case. If you want a solid gaming experience with eye-catching aesthetics, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This PC can run popular titles like Fortnite and GTA V at 60+ FPS, which is essential for smooth gaming. The Intel Core i7 runs up to 9 GHz, providing you with the speed you need to handle multiple applications without lag. The 16 GB of RAM ensures you won't run out of memory while multitasking, which is key if you stream your gameplay or use resource-heavy applications. With over 2,000 units sold in the last month, it's clear that gamers are interested in what this PC can do. Now, some people complained about the pre-installed software. They found it a bit overwhelming. Here's the thing though, once you get past that initial hurdle, you'll appreciate the power it brings to your gaming sessions. It's not a deal breaker if you're looking for performance and style. This is perfect for you if you're a gamer who wants decent performance without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're solely focused on the latest graphics or extreme overclocking. For the price, it offers solid value and impressive features. Now, if the pre-installed software is a concern for you, the next option on our list might take a different approach. Product number 2, STG Aubron Pre-Built Gaming PC. Next up is another STG Aubron model, the Pre-Built Gaming PC, priced at $748.94. Featuring an Intel Core i5 and Radeon RX 550, this gaming desktop is designed for budget-conscious gamers. If you're looking for an affordable yet capable setup, give this one a serious look. The Intel Core i5 clocks up to 6 GHz, which can handle most games without breaking a sweat. With 16 GB of RAM, you'll have enough memory for multitasking, whether you're gaming or streaming. Plus, the Wi-Fi 6 connectivity ensures a stable online experience, which is crucial for multiplayer gaming. Now, some users pointed out that the RGB fans are a bit limited compared to other models. But here's the thing, if you're not overly concerned about lighting options, this won't be a deal breaker for you. It still provides solid performance and reliability. This is perfect for you if you're entering the gaming world and want a good balance of performance and aesthetics without spending too much. Skip this one if you're a hardcore gamer needing top-tier graphics. It's a great value for the features it offers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious gamers. Product number 3, IBUIPOWER Scale Gaming PC. Now let's talk about the IBUIPOWER Scale Gaming PC, retailing at $1,291.29. This beast features an AMD Ryzen 5 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050, plus 16 GB of RGB RAM. If you want a high-performance machine that looks as good as it plays, this is worth your attention. Coupled with the RTX 5050, you can expect stunning graphics and fast frame rates. The 1 TB NVMe SSD means super fast load times, allowing you to jump right into your games without waiting. Over 200 units sold recently show that gamers are snatching this up for good reason. One honest flaw here is the price. It's on the higher end. But here's the thing, if you're serious about gaming and you want a system that can handle anything you throw at it, the investment is worth it. It's designed for performance. This is perfect for you if you're a dedicated gamer who prioritizes performance and aesthetics. Skip this one if you're just casual about gaming and don't need the extra power. For the performance it delivers, the price is quite competitive. Now, if you're not ready to commit to a full PC setup, our next option gives you a great way to upgrade your existing system. Product number 4, GIGASTONE Game Turbo RAM. Next is the GIGASTONE Game Turbo 16 GB kit, offered at $179.48. This RAM kit features 3200 MHz speed and RGB lighting, making it a stylish addition to any build. If you want to boost your gaming performance without a full system upgrade, this is a solid choice. With a speed of 3200 MHz, your system can handle high-performance gaming without the hiccups that slower RAM can cause. Plus, the RGB lighting adds a flair to your setup, which is essential if you want your rig to stand out. Some users have reported compatibility issues with certain motherboards. Here's the thing, most users, especially with common setups, will find this RAM works just fine. This is perfect for you if you're looking to upgrade your existing system with stylish and high-performance RAM. Skip this one if you're not into RGB or if you need more than 16 GB. For the price, it's a great investment in performance. Now, if you need more capacity and speed, our next option takes it a notch higher. Product number 5, Fangxiang RGB DDR4 RAM. Last but not least, we have the Fangxiang RGB DDR4 RAM, priced at $330.56. This kit offers a whopping 32 GB of RAM with a speed of 3600 MHz. If you're looking for top-tier performance and aesthetics, this is absolutely worth considering. The 3600 MHz speed means data transfer happens quickly, reducing lag during intense gaming sessions. Plus, the customizable RGB lighting lets you create your own unique gaming atmosphere, which is crucial for any dedicated gamer. However, some users felt that the installation process was a bit tricky. Here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, it's straightforward. If you're comfortable with basic PC builds, you won't have any issues. This is perfect for you if you're a streaming gamer who needs high capacity and speed. Skip this one if you prefer something more user-friendly and less intense on specs. Given the performance and features, it's a solid investment. Alright, that wraps up our reviews. Let's wrap up what we've covered. To sum it all up, we looked at the STG Aubron Gaming PC, the STG Aubron Pre-Built Gaming PC, the IBUIPOWER scale, the GIGASTONE Game Turbo RAM, and the Fangxiang RGB DDR4 RAM. Trophy, if I had to pick just one, I'd go with the IBUIPOWER scale for its performance and stunning graphics, perfect for dedicated gamers. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.